Today, I'm super excited to share with you a refreshing drink recipe that's perfect for hot summer days. I'm talking about a berry hibiscus iced tea that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients and antioxidants. The vibrant color and the refreshing taste of this tea will surely quench your thirst and lift your mood. We all know how challenging it can be to find a refreshing drink that's both delicious and healthy, especially during the summer. We often find ourselves reaching for sugary drinks or caffeinated beverages that might give us a quick energy boost, but can also lead to a crash later on. And let's be honest, who wants to consume all that added sugar and caffeine? Another common challenge is finding a drink that's simple to prepare and doesn't take much time. After all, not everyone can spend hours in the kitchen brewing tea or making intricate recipes. We all want something quick, straightforward, and delicious to enjoy on a hot summer day. Summer is the perfect time to get creative with our drinks and try out new recipes that are light, refreshing, and healthy. Whether you're heading to the beach, a backyard barbecue, or just lounging by the pool, a refreshing drink is a must-have. The good news is that today, we're going to solve all these challenges with one simple recipe that's easy to make, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Moving on to the recipe, to make this berry hibiscus iced tea, you will need a few simple ingredients like fresh berries, hibiscus tea, water, and a sweetener of your choice. The best part is that you can customize this recipe to your taste and use your favorite type of berries or sweetener. To start, you'll need to brew the hibiscus tea according to the package instructions. I like to use a large tea infuser to make the process easier and less messy. Once the tea is brewed, let it cool down to room temperature. Next, you will need to prepare the berry mixture. I like to use a combination of fresh berries like blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. You can use fresh or frozen berries, whichever you prefer. Simply mash the berries in a bowl to release their juice and set them aside. Once the tea has cooled down, it's time to mix everything together. Combine the brewed tea with the berry mixture and add a sweetener of your choice. I like to use a little honey or agave nectar to sweeten my tea. The moment of truth is when you mix everything together and witness the beautiful color and inviting aroma of this berry hibiscus iced tea. It's truly mesmerizing. And the best part is that it's so easy to make. In just a few simple steps, you can create a refreshing drink that's perfect for hot summer days. This berry hibiscus iced tea is not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and vitamins from the berries and hibiscus tea. I hope you enjoyed this refreshing recipe. Remember, it's all about experimenting with new flavors and ingredients to create drinks that are both delicious and healthy.